Any Kroger pharmacy in Indiana will be able to present the vaccine next week.
Hoosiers will soon have another option when choosing where to get a COVID-19 vaccine. Today, the Biden administration announced 1 million doses will be delivered to pharmacies across the country next week. Good evening, everyone. I'm Brooke Martin.
And I'm Phil Sanchez. We're learning more about how the rollout of the federal program will work here in Indiana. News 8's Demi Johnson live, and Demi, Kroger may be the only pharmacy option in the beginning.
Yeah, the federal pharmacy program will eventually deliver doses to 40,000 drugstores across the country. But because of the current lag in the vaccine supply, right now, only limited partners are going live in each state. Another shot at getting vaccinated is coming to Indiana.
We had already started delivering doses to pharmacies in 16 or 17 counties around Indiana.
Kroger spokesperson Eric Halverson says by next Thursday, every county in the state with a store will have access to the vaccine.
Our situation really doesn't change except for the fact that we will be working with the federal government in this case.
That's where the situation can be confusing. Governor Holcomb already announced last week that Kroger, Meijer, and Walmart would all be able to administer the vaccine, and some sites have already started that process. While it's true all three chains are state partners, Meijer is not a federal partner in Indiana. The same goes for CVS and Walgreens, at least in the initial rollout. White House COVID-19 response coordinator Jeff Zients says that could change as vaccine production ramps up.
But I wanted to set expectations appropriately. Due to the current supply constraints, this will be limited when it begins next week. In this first phase of the program, supply will be at only about 6,500 stores nationwide before expanding.
He says by next week, the federal government will also be able to increase the amount of doses it can ship from 10 million to 10.5 million. Here in Indiana, Halverson says with more locations opening, there may be fewer doses to work with.
So at this point, I'd say people should just anticipate 100 doses per store per week.
Kroger stores will only offer the Moderna vaccine to start, but that could change as the federal pharmacy program continues to expand. Live downtown, Demi Johnson, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Demi, thank you very much.